The Voyager DVR4100 lets you access, retrieve, and view data a number of different ways. This video will cover these 4 methods of data retrieval. To play back recorded footage directly on your cab's observation monitor, press Menu on the remote control for the DVR. Find and select the search icon. Select Time Search to play back footage from a specific time and date. Channel lets you select which cameras you want to view. Selected cameras are indicated by a V. Select the date you want to view. Then select the hour, minute, and second. Select Go Search to begin viewing the DVR data. The next 3 methods explain different ways of retrieving data for viewing on a personal computer. Make sure that there is a USB flash drive inserted into the USB port on the front of the DVR. Press Menu on the remote control. Select Backup. Select which cameras you want to have backed up. Choose the desired date and time to back up data from. Now select how long or how much data you want backed up. 1 minute's worth, 5 minutes worth, whatever you need. When ready, select Go Back Up. Choose Yes to begin backing up. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, select OK. You can now remove the USB flash drive from the DVR. The SD card only contains data from triggered events. For constant running data of typical day-to-day operations, either remove the solid-state drive or run a backup to a USB flash drive. Remove the 2 screws holding the protective plate from in front of the SD card slot. Push on the SD card for it to release. Gently grab and pull the SD card from the DVR. Unlock the DVR with the lock key that came with the system. This will power down the DVR and allow access to the solid-state drive, or SSD. Loosen the 2 screws on the front of the cover plate. This can be done either by hand or with the use of a screwdriver. Set aside the cover plate. Grip the tab inside of the DVR. Press the lever and gently pull out the SSD. Separate the SSD from the rack by removing the 4 screws on the bottom. Using a SATA to USB adapter, you can connect your SSD to your personal computer to view the data from your DVR.